Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open a melatonin bottle, full guide. Start by placing the bottle on a flat surface and visually inspecting the cap and seal. If you see a press and turn cap, press down firmly while turning counterclockwise and use a rubber grip if your hands slip. For squeeze-release caps, squeeze sides and turn. Always check pills for damage and reseal the bottle securely after use. In this video, I will show how to open a melatonin bottle, full guide. Grip the cap firmly using a rubber jar opener or a damp cloth for extra friction. Press down and twist slowly for press and turn types, or squeeze and turn for squeeze-release styles. If the lid resists, tap the edge gently on the counter to loosen threads, then try again. Keep pills upright and avoid contaminating the tablet surface while handling. In this video, I will show how to open a melatonin bottle, full guide. After opening, always reseal the bottle tightly and store it upright in a cool, dry place away from children and pets. Keep the original child-resistant cap in place to reduce accidental access. Regularly check expiration dates and inspect tablets for unusual odor or color changes. When traveling, secure the bottle in a hard case to prevent crushing or leaking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.